Hi Lorraine, this is Dan here at Tater and Sons Chevrolet. I butterflied this car for you. Just going to do a quick walk around. It's just in great shape. Left side. It's so sunny out here right now. All I can see is my face in this camera rather than what I'm taking a picture of. So I hope this comes out okay. Interior. This front. Navigation, leather, heated seats, rear. I don't think she hauled much in it. It's just immaculate in the back. It's still got the cargo cover in it. A lot of people pull those out and put them in their garage and never see them again. So this one's there. Right side. Carpets are in great shape. No big stains or tears anywhere. Dashboard's the same way. It's just a nice car, Lorraine. Now I'm just going to shut these doors. I can kind of see right now. That's the right side. Right there is where we touched up the paint from rock chips, right in this area right here, Lorraine. Keyless entry. Headlamp bezels are nice and clean. They're not chipped up or fogged up. And then around to the back. There's the back. I hope this helps you. We're going to email you with the best price, and you should get it within an hour. Thanks, Lorraine. Bye.